Hello everyone, Daria here. Today I'm showing you a fun wall painting for a beautiful villa, step by step. First, sketch your main design. I'm using an acrylic marker since the wall is rough. Then, start filling in your shapes with any colors you like. I paint the leaves one by one, going from light to dark. So first I apply the base green color. Then I add the darker shades. And finally I highlight the area where the light hits using a thinner brush to make them pop. Now let's move on to my beautiful toucan birds. I absolutely love them, especially their long colorful beaks. They are just so unique. We simply place the colors and carefully add the color shadows on the beak. For the leaves, you follow the same process. Green first, then darker shades, and finally the highlights. Until you add those shadows and highlights, the leaves will look flat and lifeless. A very important tip for wall painting. You might need to go over the colors more than once and reapply highlights. The wall absorbs the paint and water mixture, which makes the color look darker. So, it's better to use colors that are about 2 shades lighter because they'll dry darker. Now, let's get to my lovely flamingos. If you like, you can go more towards pink. It's totally up to your taste, but I chose a red tone. To finish, spray a very diluted paint mix on the background for a soft jungle feel and shape it with your brush. Now it gives the whole mural such a better vibe. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Have a great time.